awesome. And oh, action shot. Boom. Yeah, bounce scratch. And your local neighborhood supercar. Nice. It's a V8 Biturbo. It's pretty sweet. It's an AMG though. That's the amazing thing about it. It's like it's a 2000 something, something like 2014 Mercedes-Benz GTS AMG. Super to the duper of the car. There's a 2016 Camaro over there. It's not much. It's a new Camaro. So, minivan. Just flipping. Oops, almost tripped over my bike. Just gorgeous, man. It's like it's like the what do you call it? The Gullwing SLS race car coupe. This is like a new version of it though.